it is Aam Aadmi Party with a super absolute majority in Delhi, and they are trying to gain a strong foothold in Goa also.
First of all, I would like to challenge Mr. Kejriwal, have a debate with me here in Goa, and I'll tell you how big a mess Delhi is in now. I would ask people of Goa to contact any 10 people whomsoever they want in Delhi, and if 3 out of 10 people are happy with Aam Aadmi Party, just 3, just vote for them. They'll not find even 3 out of 10 people who are happy with Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. And new buses, if he has added, Delhi Transport Corporation has added even 3 new buses, I'll withdraw from politics. Both Modi and Kejriwal, I call them dream merchants. They come and they sell the dreams.
What do you think Congress needs to do to change this image of Rahul Gandhi?
It is the people who need to change their perception. Why should the Congress change? The people, I think, gradually they will understand, and they will understand Rahul Gandhi much better the way he is.
People don't like dynasties today.
With dynasty comes lot many problems also. It is not only that the posts or positions that you inherit, you also inherit the number of enemies which come along being from a particular family. So things are not very easy. When a person has performed, when a person has delivered, I think he should be given chance. Tell me, in Delhi nothing happened, in Punjab such things are not happening, in Goa I'm sure everything is decided and tightly controlled by Kejriwal. And Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, all were expelled because he didn't want to hear the voice of dissent. So anyone who is most dictatorial amongst all of them is coming out to be Arvind Kejriwal himself, who talked about transparency.